Did anyone thought yesterday after the market closing hours that we will be in profit in today's trading? I don't know how many have a habit of analyzing the charts post market, but in trading, everything you earn or lose is all about your mindset. Let me tell you how I was thinking that 90% sure I will be in profits in today's trading. My name is Vivek and you are watching Delta Options. First of all, why I'm saying trading is all about your mindset. Yes, you heard me right. First comes your mindset and then comes your strategy or the indicators. Let me show you how the market have bounced back after last week's fall. Okay, this is Bank Nifty and I am going to show you in the day chart. Like let me take one day as the candle and we will see how the market have reacted. Let me zoom in. See, this is the fall last week which had happened. Like in a single day, we have lost so many points, and the next day the market have retraced back. And if you see, it is quite V-shaped recovery. Once it had fall, like it has recovered like one, two, three, four back-to-back green candles. There is no retracement at all, and the market is keep going high. And if you see the Nifty, it is almost touching to highs. Now what happens? Even the bank Nifty has to reach to Nifty levels, right? As the Nifty is flowing very fast, bank Nifty cannot be so idle and without moving up, it cannot be down. Bank Nifty is more volatile than Nifty. So let me go through the smaller time frames and I will take you 15 minutes of chart. So this is 15 minutes chart and you are seeing this is the fall which we were discussing. And in the next day onwards, if you are seeing the market is keep moving up, there is a, in particular, if I say there is no chance of anyone to get good profits in past 2 or 3 days. If you are seeing this one on 24th December, the market have opened high and then without like it had opened gap up first of all, and then again it had made a green candle. Then it should not have been now going all green candles. It did not retrace itself. In the first 15 minutes, how much near to 1 hour, it did not retrace back. And there is a small retracement and again it went. So again the next day, if you see first 15 minutes, again it had opened a very good gap up and then again the market is going high. The same thing happened yesterday also. It had opened gap up, it again made very high and a small retracement happened. See, these are the things which I am telling you to consider, people. Like this is all about your mindset. So this is what I am saying. Like you have seen on 24th it had open gapped up and you are seeing that it almost had a very good green candles and never seemed to be in downward direction. It has retraced little and again it had moved up. Again the next day it had open. Then again you see there is a green candle even after having a gap up open and again it has gone up. And if you are seeing this, this is again a gap up and again back-to-back green candles, but somehow it has managed to have a retracement and again it came to yesterday's opening price and again it has shot up. So this is what happened until yesterday. So why I thought like the market will be in our direction. What is the cause for that? See, what I had the mindset before entering the trade today. Post yesterday's market, what I have done, I have analyzed these charts and I have seen these gap ups and continuously going up, going up. So what will be happening? Like as I said, when you are finding back-to-back green candles, already we have seen in one day chart, you have seen back-to-back green candles. One, two, three, four. So here is the doji and then it has taken back and slowly it has crossed the previous fall where it has dropped. So now what is the bank nifty position? Every day it cannot keep going up by making green candles, right? Yes, maybe it will go up, but it has to retrace. Otherwise, there will be no sufficient buyers. Correct. So now what happened? Back to back green candles, everyday gap up and a green candle, and it is going up. So what happens today? What the mindset of the normal buyer or a seller will be there? So usually what normal common trader will think, they will think that market is keep moving up. In order, it will have a short fall, like even the market direction is upward direction. But what an trader will do? He will find a place where there is a retracement, correct? Even the trend is upward direction, but there should be small downward direction, right? Without that, it cannot keep moving up. That is the basic fund of trading. Already I have said multiple times. So this is one of the example. What happened today? It had opened gap up, but what happened? The first candle itself is a red candle. What does it mean? The previous people who has bought these bank nifties and kept in their deliveries, there will be in dilemma. If it breaks down, it is going to have a huge impact. People who has bought here, fine, they have got good profit. People who had got here, they will have good profit. What about the person got here? He will be in dilemma, correct? He will be in a dilemma that if the market is going down and if it breaks the current position what he is holding, then what will be the scenario of him? He will be in delivery, like up to he is thinking to carry it until the trading expiry, that is tomorrow, Thursday. So if it goes down, he will be in losses or he has to book partial profits and he has to leave. The same thing happened today. You have seen the red candle. People have tried to make it up little, but it never actually happened. If you are seeing, it is continuously moving the sideway and it has never recovered to the upward direction. So maybe tomorrow it will go up, because if you are seeing here, I did not take trade only on the trend set, but there is a trend line behind that. Let me show you how it was looking yesterday. If you are seeing this, it is continuously in the upward direction. And I tried to see there is a small trend line behind that. Just I have opened the chart and I have tried to find some trend line. If you are seeing, this is yesterday's close, right? So this is our trend line yesterday. After seeing the post market, I tried to analyze the chart and this is the trend line which I have seen. First of all, it had opened up, it has checked it here, and it has again moved up. Again, it went and tried to check here. Again, it went up. Again, it took near to the place, and it is actually following the trend line if you are seeing. And when the trend line breaks, you know it will have a good profits. That's what happened today. The market have opened up and it formed the red candle, and again if formed the green candle, then there is no thing like here it opened again, it has taken the green candle and it moved up, there is no chance of getting down. Mostly even if it comes down also, like it will take the support here and then again it will go up. But what happened? The first candle itself is red. If you're seeing the 15 minutes time frame, that means the people who has bought in delivery in the upside direction, they are in dilemma, and that's what happened. It had broke the trend line yesterday, and you know, like only one person will not be having this chart analyzing. Any pro trader will try to analyze the chart, previous charts, and draw the trend lines, whatever the channel breakouts, whatever the signs you are seeing in the market, he will try to analyze it previous day for the next day chart. That is a very good thing which you have to do. If you are new to trading thing, just make sure that you are doing it in like a daily base. So that's the thing here. I have waited until the trend line to break down and there is a small retracement. Then I have entered and happily I have made some profits. Near to 1%, 284 points we have got it. For that almost I have waited until how many hours? 10 to 1. It's almost 3 hours. So this is my profit guys. I have made profit of 19,000 rupees. I took around 240 rupees CE I have shorted for 31,200 and I have took the profits at 140, 155 levels. So it made low of 150, but that 5 points I don't really care. So this is what leave about this profit and loss or whatever the negatives or positives in it. Just see what is your strategy and what is your mindset. That all about trading. See, why I have removed here? Exactly, I have removed here. I have waited. I have seen this green candle. I was in losses, but still I waited. It had moved down. Why I waited here? You know, trend lines will act as support and resistance, right? And again, it had come down. Again, he have taken the support zone here. Again, it had moved up. I waited very long. See, one candle itself is 15 minutes. 3 hours I have waited for the profits to come. That's what I wanted to show. It's not only about the profits, it's about your mindset and how you believe in your strategy. This is the strategy. It is the breakout of the trend line which happened, and I made profits. So this is my booking area. Yesterday open price is my today profit booking region. As I said, I think that's it for today. Hope you have uh, got something out of this session. This is mainly to tell you people that everything is based on your mindset and the strategy which you are following. Just keep faith on that, and definitely you will success. Don't see any time your profit or loss. It's all about how many points you are taking. Happy trading, guys. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. And if you have any specific topic that to be covered, you want any thing that you wanted to learn, just let me know. Definitely, I want to make a video which will be helpful for you guys. Yep. Please subscribe to this channel and like this video and even share to your friends. It will be very much helpful. Catch you in the next video. Signing off, Vivek.